Well, it's just started to rain, so I thought, what better time to do a motovlog? But first, we have to go pick up Tom, taking the corners like a boss. Are we taking a wrong turn? No, we haven't. No, we haven't at all. I remember where Tom's is now. It's not that one. Is it this one? No, it's not. Right, I think it's not this one, it's the next one. It's this one. I think. Got full setup going. Eventually. The one I bought was like a professional lav mic that I can then plug into my phone so I can answer calls and stuff. But I got out of work this afternoon. Yeah, I got out of work this afternoon. It had snapped in half. What are you looking for? You putting an exhaust on or something? Well, can I have this one then?
Okay, give us somebody then. Put another cannon. Of course. It's only the one you've got. Okay. No, I can't use a chrome one on.
One eternity later.
That zafira nearly hit me.
What?
As we were coming past, it was pulling out and nearly just clipped me. What a dick. Oh, right on the rim. Go on. Oh my god, it is so slippy. Is he here? Get him for us. Cheers, mate. I need to tell him actually I'll be back at college in September doing 1 day a week.
I'll be back in doing 2 days.
Sweet. Maybe our days will cross and we'll ride together. Okay, good point.
Hey,
Hello.
not too bad, how are you?
We thought we'd come annoy you.
What?
We thought we'd come annoy you.
Guys, wearing shorts and braids, man.
When did you get this?
Oh yeah, I got my own.
Mate, oh, it's well cool. When did you get that as well?
Picked up on Monday, didn't we? Nick's wrecked his bike as well.
Really?
Yeah, on the way to pick this up, on the way.
You get that.
We were literally round the corner from the guy's house, turning in, front wheel locked up. He hit the ground. Next thing we know, police and ambulances are turning up.
Really? Is that what your Instagram was about the event?
Yeah, I told him to play dead.
That was hilarious. Who's his faster out of your two?
His.
Who's his faster?
Off the line are the same.
Well, both my bikes, even the Grom's faster.
This has got shorter gear in now, this wheelie's better. It's a stunt bike.
I can't wheelie that.
'Cause you're
I'm
shit,
on the
mate.
track, I can't wheelie that.
'Cause you're
The only way I
shit.
can wheelie that bike.
Oh, I wheeled it, like by accident. You
By accident.
You
Get out of the cook.
Oh, was that when you were trying to get into second gear?
Yeah.
And you popped it up?
Like, oh shit, I shot myself. No, that was a good day filming. We literally fucked about for about 5 hours.
Before we actually started doing it.
Yeah. We need to go back to the mushy and piss around.
I've been
At some point.
literally, I mean, because we're off now. Anna's off on holiday. Like, you know, next week, Monday to Saturday, I'm free all fucking time.
Yeah.
So if you guys give me a message, I've got a boom mic now.
Oh, have you actually?
I've got a boom mic.
Sweet.
3 meters.
I did get a lav mic, you know, the little ones that go,
Oh yeah.
clip there, and I broke it this afternoon.
How?
Because I had it clipped inside my helmet. Took my helmet off, tried to pull it out of the helmet, and it just snapped in half.
Dude, the boom mic is well good. Like, I got a new camera and everything. The camera's about nearly 300 quid.
What did you get?
Just like an upgrade from my other one. I can't remember what it's
Is it a Nikon or is it a Canon?
Sony.
Ah, well, fuck you then. It's shit.
Oh, I'll tell you one thing. If you can manage to piss off them people, like that house, yeah, I'd so love you guys. They're
You happy now?
yeah.
Is it actually going okay? Oh, that was shit! My god, I hate riding the rain. Can't do mad wheelies. Let's watch the beautiful sunset. It's so beautiful! Oh my god, it's so pretty!
Oh my god, it's so pretty! It's so pretty, bro! Look at it!
Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm starving now. Whatever that is, it smells fucking delicious. Full talk. That thing's so much faster than my bike. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells incredible. Yeah, that old lady did not like that. Oh, yes! Alright, bye, Tom. Oh shit, it's packed. What? Fair enough. He's wearing trackies whilst riding. Oh, he's got the same boots as me though. Cute.